Good afternoon, students. So, by now we are aware of what exactly is atomic number and atomic mass. I have already told you about this in the previous videos. Now, today we'll study about the two new terms, that is isotopes and isobars. Atomic number, as you can recall, is simply the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom, but atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons present in an atom, right? So when we have to represent both these entities for any element, how do we write it? Is there any specific way for representing it? Yes. The chemical symbol of an element is written with its atomic number at its bottom at the left side. On the other hand, the atomic mass is written on the top at the left side of the symbol, right? If we have to write carbon, so we'll write its atomic number 6 at the bottom on left side and its mass number 12 at the top on the left side. Similarly, if we have to write one type of chlorine, it can be written as chlorine ka symbol Cl and atomic number 17 at the bottom and mass number 35 at the top, right? Now I said one type of chlorine atom. Why did I said one type of chlorine atom? Are there more types of chlorine atom? Yes. Some chlorine atoms have 20 neutrons instead of 18 neutrons in their nucleus. So how this is possible? This is what we will study today. There are certain cases in which atoms of same element exist in different forms. These forms are called isotopes, or in simple words we can define isotopes as the atoms of same element having the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. सेम एलिमेंट के डिफरेंट एटम्स जिसमें एटॉमिक नंबर सेम होगा बट मास नंबर डिफरेंट होगा, और आप कह सकते हो कि नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स सेम होंगे बट द नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स विल बी डिफरेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ क्लोरीन एलिमेंट हैज़ टू आइसोटोप्स. वन इज क्लोरीन 35 and another is chlorine 37. एक का मास नंबर 35 होगा और एक का मास नंबर 37 होगा, and the number of protons means the atomic number will remain the same. So in first case there will be 18 neutrons and in second case there will be 20 neutrons, but the number of protons, that is in first case there will be 17 protons and in second case also there will be 17 protons, right? Similarly, carbon has three isotopes: carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. कार्बन 12 में 6 न्यूट्रॉन्स होंगे, कार्बन 13 में 7 न्यूट्रॉन्स होंगे और कार्बन 14 में 8 न्यूट्रॉन्स होंगे, बट द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स विल रिमेन द सेम. Now this was about the atoms of the same element. What if I say atoms of two different elements can have the same atomic mass? Let us try to understand this by taking an example. I am taking few elements like sulfur, potassium, calcium, chlorine and argon. Now if you notice, in each case the number of proton and neutron is different. कैसे? I'll explain. सल्फर में 16 न्यूट्रॉन है, 16 प्रोटॉन है एंड 24 न्यूट्रॉन है. पोटेशियम में 19 प्रोटॉन्स हैं और 21 न्यूट्रॉन है. इन कैल्शियम 20 प्रोटॉन एंड 20 न्यूट्रॉन. इन क्लोरीन 17 proton and 23 neutron. In argon 18 proton and 22 neutron. However, the total number of nucleons sum up to 40. Now the question is, what is nucleon? So the nucleon is the total number of proton and neutron. If you add the number of proton and neutron, you will get what? Nucleon. तो ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स जो मैंने लिए हैं, सल्फर, पोटाशियम, कैल्शियम, क्लोरीन, आर्गन, इन सब में इफ़ यू विल ऐड proton and neutron, you will get what? 40 units in each case. In sulfur, if you'll add 16 plus 24, you will get 40. In potassium, if you'll add 19 plus 21, you will get 40. If in calcium, if you will add 20 plus 20, you will get 40. So the number of nucleon is सेम इन ईच केस. तो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन अलग अलग डिफरेंट है, बट इफ वी सम अप द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूक्लियॉन, दैट इज न्यूक्लियॉन्स, देन they are same in each of the case. So this is known as isobars. So isobars are the atoms of different element having the same atomic masses. उनके atomic mass क्या होंगे? Same होंगे. So isobars is derived from a Greek word. Iso means same and baros means weight. Okay, तो atoms of different element have the same atomic mass. ये ध्यान रखिए कि मे बी इन डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स उनके नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स डिफरेंट होंगे, बट उनको जब आप सम करेंगे, मतलब व्हेन यू विल फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियॉन्स, देन इट विल रिमेन्स द सेम इन केस ऑफ आइसोबार्स. Okay, so this is all for now. These are the two topics, and I guess this is the last topic of the first chapter, isotopes and isobars. If still you have any confusion or doubt, you can ask me. Thank you so much.